Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See this problem. Here one electrical circuit is given here. So which was connected with a current source, that is RMS current, and asking that how to find power factor and average power for the given circuit. This is a problem. So let's see here how to find it. First of all, we need overall impedance for the given circuit. Why means power factor depends upon the impedance phase. So here the 6 ohms here given and 4 ohms is given here, and for the capacitor the impedance given as minus j2 ohms. So let's consider, so this is Z1 impedance and this is Z2 impedance and this is Z3 impedance. When you observe carefully here Z2 Z3 are in parallel. This resultant impedance will be in series with Z1. So find the parallel impedance and then add with Z1. You will get the overall impedance. So that is overall impedance ZT equal to Z2 parallel with Z3. Its resultant will be added with Z1. So it becomes Z2 into Z3 upon Z2 plus Z3. It is nothing but overall impedance for these two parallel branches. So that was connected with in series with Z1. Now substitute the values here. So Z2 is minus j2 ohms, that is minus j2 into 4 upon minus j2 plus 4 plus Z1 is 6. By simplifying this by using calculator, we will get 6.8 minus j 1.6. Convert this into phasor form. By using calculator, we will get amplitude is 7 and phase angle is minus 13.24. So if you don't have calculator, let's see here how to find amplitude. Amplitude is, let's consider this is x plus iy. So amplitude is root of x square plus y square. It gives 7 tan inverse of y by x. So y is the imaginary part and x is the real part. Substitute that, we will get phase, that is minus 13.24 degrees. Now we can easily find power factor. So power factor PF equal to cos theta. So here what is the theta? So this is not the theta value. This is the theta value. So y means both values are same, but y means this value. Let's see here, I will explain. Theta means nothing but phase angle of voltage minus phase angle of current. So RMS voltage, the phase angle, minus RMS angle of current, the change, nothing but theta. But why we call this is the theta means, so impedance nothing but V by I. So we have some amplitude, that is VA, and some phase angle, that is phase, and current having amplitude, that is I, with phase angle I. So when you divide this, you will get V by I, phase angle is theta V minus theta I. So it is nothing but change in the phase of voltage minus current. So for the impedance, the whatever the angle, whatever phase angle, that is nothing but a change of phase angle of voltage and current. So theta means here the change of voltage and current phase angle. So this is the considered theta value. Now substitute here, we will get cos of theta is minus 13.24 degrees. By simplifying this, we will get 0.9734. So it is positive value, nothing but leading. So leading means capacitor circuit, because for the given circuit it is a capacitive. So this is a impedance in capacitive. Thus we get positive. So finally we got power factor is 0.9734. Now how to find average power? So we can find average power in two methods. Both methods are important. So let's see here the first method, method 1. So average power equal to VRMS into IRMS into power factor. Here IRMS is there that is 4.286, but we don't know Vrms value. So by applying voltage means Ohm's law, we will get Vrms value. So that is Vrms equal to Irms into Z. So Irms is 4.286 with phase angle 13.24 degrees, and impedance is 7 with phase angle minus 13.24. Whenever two phasor forms are going to product each other, their amplitude is producted and the phase angle will be added. So that is nothing but 4.286 into 7, it gives 30, and this value plus this value nothing but 0. This is the Vrms. Now substitute the Vrms and Irms in this equation, we will get average power. So average power equal to, so here Vrms means take the amplitude only, that is 30, and Irms means take amplitude only, that is 4.286 into, and the power factor is, we got 0.9734. By simplifying this, we will get 125 watts. This is the average power. Next, method 2. So second method is for finding average power, that is, so average power P equal to Irms whole square into resistance. So Irms is, that is 4.286 whole square into R. So what is the R value here? So this is the overall impedance. So in that, the real part is called as resistance and imaginary part is called as reactance. So this is the pure resistance value, that is considered as R, that is 6.8. By simplifying this, we get 125 watts. So R is always a resistive part of Z. And this is the process of simplification for finding power factor and average power for this type of problems. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.